Welcome to Choco International. I am Nilam Arjuna speaking. First video uploaded for the Odisha Civil Service Preliminary 2020. The part A questions 1 to 59. So I am repeating 60 to 100. In the question number 16, in India under cyber insurance for individuals, which are the following benefits are generally covered? It covers 1. Cost of restoration, cost of hiring, cost of defense. 1, 3, 4. Option B is correct. 1, 3, 4. Option B is correct. 1, 3, 4. Option B is correct. In India, which of the following consider public investment in agriculture? Fixing minimum supply, computerization, special capital, free electricity, waiver by agriculture loans, setting up cold storage. All are correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 61D, 762. Which are the interest coverage ratio? It helps in understand the present risk of fund and it helps to evaluate the emerging risk of a fund a bank is going to give loan to. Higher borrowing firms to not, it is not there. So 1, 2 is correct. So 62B, 63. Which of the following factors and policy were affected? The price rise in India. Minimum support price, okay. Common trading, okay. Government stockpile, okay. Government subsidies, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 is correct. 63D. 64. Consider the following statement. The value of India-Sri Lanka trade consists of increase in the last decades. The textile constitute an important term trade between India and Bangladesh. In the last 5 years, Nepal has the largest trading, but only 2 is correct. Textile and textile articles constitute important terms of the trade between India and Bangladesh. So 64 do 2 is option is B. 64 option is B. 65. In which of the following groups all the 4 countries are, that is Argentina, Mexico, South Africa, Turkey, all are G20. No need to go for others. Argentina, Mexico, South Africa, Turkey. All are G20. Option is A. 66. Working under Kisan credits ka working capital required. Consumption of requirement farm household worker, post harvestable required. Consumption family house no. Purchase combine harvester tractors no. So 1, 3, 4 is correct. 2 and 5 is wrong. 1, 3, 4 is option B. So 67. Consider for weightage of food and consumer prices. CPI is higher than that of wholesale price index. Double pay does not capture the charges in price of services. Reserve Bank India has now adopted double pay as the key measures for inflation. No, Reserve Bank India adopted CPI combined. That means only 1, 2 is correct. So 67 option is A. 68. Mekong in South China Sea. Thames in English Sea. Option 3 and 4 is correct. So option 3 means 68 C is correct. Then 69 in case of all Syria policy also procurement MSP price is unlimited any star state unit. In the case of cereals of policy of MSP fixed in any state unit. 1 and 2 neither 1 is correct, neither 2 is correct. Option is D. We refer to Indian economy. Certificate deposit commercial paper is a short term deposit wrong. Commercial paper is a short term deposit correct for the commercial certificate deposit long. No, certificate deposit is a short term deposit. Coming on the money market, call money is coming on money by short term deposit, zero coupon by long term deposit. So, what is the Indian concept following statements? So, zero coupon bonds, bearing more associated bonds to the corporation. So, 1, 2, 1 is the commercial paper, short term deposit correct, call money short term deposit correct. 1 and 3 is correct. So, 70 C is correct. 71. Patavi Parivarjaka is the enunciator, that is correct. Upasaka left for Sarmana, that also same like 1, but they mention priest with a high status. So it is not correct. So correct is 1 and 3. So 1 and 3 means B is correct. So in C72, we will refer to Indian elephant concept of following. Leader of the elephant of the group is a female. Leader of the elephant, that's correct. 70, which of the following protected area located in Kaveri Basin? Kaveri Basin, you can see the only one also Papikonda in West Coast, others are Kaveri. 1, 3, 4 is correct. What is C? 73 C is correct. Then 74, we refer to Indian biodiversity. Ceylon, Frogmouth, Coppersmith, Barbet, Grey Chin, Minivet and white-throated redstart are the birds. That is option A. 75. Which are the following protected area well known for the conservation of subspecies Indian swamp deer that thrives on hard ground? That is only Manas National Park. Manas National Park. That is option B. Steel, slack and material for which of the following? Construction, brass rod, instrument, regular production, all are correct. So 1, 2, 3 is correct. 76 D. Which of the following most likely places find mosque? The most find in Himalayan area. So 1, 2, Oscar Himalayan area, Gangotri, Himalayan area, that is Kishanpur and Manas in no mosque there. So 1, 2 is correct. That is option A is correct. 70 rural road construction. Copper slag is gold mix, is geotextile is no hot mix, not use Portland cement. No, so only 1, 2, 3 is correct. 78 A is correct. '79. The coal ash contains arsenic lead. That correct. Coal fire power plants sulfur is correct. High ash content Indian coal correct. 1, 2, 3 correct. 79 C D is correct. What is the biochar? First to know biochar is a stable carbon rich form in soil. Biochar increase the soil fertility, water holding capacity, crop productivity. Biochar increase the carbon content, mitigate greenhouse emission. So you see from here you can delete option 1, 2, 3 both are all are correct. So 80 is D. 81. A particular plant species placed under Schedule 6 of wildlife protection. That only one is a license required to cultivate that plant. 81 is A. 81 is A. 80 is 1, 2, 3 that is D. So 82. Ghantasala, Kodra, Chaul. Chaul you know is a port. So all are port. That is 82 is A. What is the advantage of a zero tillage agriculture? Zero tillage advantage sowing wheat. Is possible without burning the residue, without a need of nursery sampling. The direct planting of paddy is possible. Carbon sequestration also possible. That is all are 3 are correct. 83 all 3 are correct. 84. According to India's national policy on biofuels, what are the you can use? Cassava we can use, damage we can use, by rotten potato you can use, sugar beet no can. 1, 2, 5, 6 can we use. That is option 8 is 4 option A. Groundnut, horse gum, no. What we use? Sugar cane, sugar. What that is we use as per government. Sugar cane, sugar beet, sweet sorghum, cassava, damaged food grains, wheat and rotten potato. These are used. So 1, 2, 5, 6 correct. That is 84 A is correct. 85. 85. Which of the following is best describe the social cost of carbon? Long-term damage done by a ton of carbon dioxide emission in a given year. That is 85 A. 86. With reference to the pulse production in India, black gram can be cultivated both Kharif and Rabi. That correct. Green gram alone account, green gram only 8 to 10%. Gram is for more than 40%. In the last 3 decades, while the production of Kharif pulses increase. Okay, correct. But production of Rabi, no. Rabi pulses increase, Kharif pulses increase. So this option 3 is wrong. Option 2 is wrong. Only 1 is correct. That is 86 A is correct. The crop require 210 50 100 per. This is only cotton. 87 A is correct. We refer to 88. We refer to 88. 8 is option 88. That is we refer to solar water pumps concept following. Solar water pump can be used for running surface pump, not for no submersible pump possible. Solar water pump can be used for running centrifugal, not one no piston also, but both 1, 2 are correct wrong. So neither 1 to not is 88 is D. So 89 is with reference to the current trend in cultivation sugarcane in India. Consider following. So substantial saving of seed metal is made of board chips. That is correct because normally you 6.8 ton per hectare. Now this board chip setting you can use 80% saving. And direct planting settled ladder, no, it is not correct wrong. In bad weather, no, it is not wrong. Sugar can be cultivated using tissue culture. 1 and 4 only correct. That is 89 B is correct. In the context of India, which of the following are considered as a practical eco-friendly agriculture? Eco-friendly agriculture is vertical farming. In the context of India, which are the following is considered to be eco-friendly agriculture? Crop diversification, legume intensification, tensometer use. Select the correct as a code given below. Crop diversification. In why the following the considered practice of eco-friendly agriculture? Eco-friendly vertical farming is the only eco-friendly agriculture. 91 is the controlling the alkaline irrigation water possible. Fertilization. Fertilization means fertilizer in dissolved distributed with water in spray irrigation and deep irrigation. Spray irrigation and deep irrigation. So 1, 2, 4 is correct, 3 not correct. Increase availability of nutrients plus 2 is 3 is correct. Plant possible. Alkaline reduces, that's correct. Controlling alkaline possible. Increase availability of nutrients possible. Reduction in leaching material possible. 1, 3, 4 is correct. 91C. 92 under the following materials. Bentonite, chromite, kyanite, silicate. Bentonite no, chromite, kyanite, silicate is available. We see the major mineral list, not minor is available. Fast schedule of MMDR art. So B, C, D, the correct. That means 2, 3, 4. That means D. Again, so I am telling 90 is 4, 91 is C, 92 is D. Now coming. (93), who is reference of ocean mean temperature. Ocean means option is 59 meter, and that is option is not 129 meter. And GMT collected during this is 80% probability. So 2 is correct. So 93, 2 is the correct. Option B is the correct. 93, option B is the correct. 94, it is the at present the retail price of chemical fertilizer market is not administered government. That's wrong. Subsidy is given. Ammonia input area produced natural gas. Sulfur air metal phosphate fertilizer is a byproduct of oil refinery. 2 and 3 is correct. 1 is not correct because government provided something. 2, 3 means 94. B is correct. 95. We refer to India Desert National Park. It is spread in 2 days Joyce Barner, and it is used for a natural habitat of great Indian bustard. They know human population. The 1, 3 is correct. 1, 3 means 95. C. 96. Siachen Glacier is situated in the north of the Nubra Valley. Siachen Glacier is situated in the north in the Nubra Valley. That's correct. The option is D. So 97. Bhilsa is a Vidisha in Karnataka. Vidisha in Madhya Pradesh. Sorry, Vidisha in Madhya Pradesh. Dwarsamudra in Karnataka. Girnagar, Gujarat. Thaneswari, Uttar Pradesh in Haryana. So Vidisha, Maharashtra, Girnagar, Gujarat, Vidisha, Madhya Pradesh, Girnagar, Gujarat is the correct. Option 1, 3 is correct. 97A is the correct. 98, 30% for Indian districts are classified as overrepresented. No, it is 50%. 1 is wrong. CGWA was formed under 1986. That's correct. India the largest underground water irrigation. That's correct. India the largest underground water irrigation. So that is option 2 and 3 is correct. That is 99, 98 B is correct. 99 jet plane occurs in northern hemisphere, southern hemisphere. One option is wrong. Only some cyclone develop. You see the warning cyclone IMD after some time after I did, they clearly predicted what is the movement. So only some cyclone develop eye. 3 temperature inside the eye is not tendency less or tendency more. So only 2 is the correct. 99, 2 is the C is the correct. 100. Here the Nagarjuna Sisalam area is 2596 square kilometer. This is the largest area. So Nagarjuna Sisalam means 100 is C. So with this, we committed a civil service preliminary 2022 chapter. One chapter first 159, second is 60 to 100. If you like, subscribe it, put a bell icon. Thanking you.